to the office that you can pick me up?
Why?
Because did you know? She's not my teacher. She's a grade 3 or grade 2 teacher.
What are you doing?
Day. Oh, baby.
That's funny. Say hi to mommy.
Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. How are you doing?
Delay daw bus nila 30 minutes. Okay.
You're sitting with your friend.
Oh, hungry baby. Hungry baby. How was that? Say hi to Mommy Perla.
Hi, mommy.
Okay, enjoy your meal, okay? It's yummy? Okay. Show mommy your bite. Show mommy your bite. Your big bite. Show mommy your big bite. Oh my god. There you go.
Ayan, nakita nyo naman ang weather. Talagang nakakatakam na makatikim ng sabaw. Hot in the house. So, yan ang gulay. Ewan kung bakit merong cabbage si Daddy dito. Ayan ang prepare ni Daddy for us. Ayan, and then ito yung noodles namin. While sinusundo ni Daddy si Dexa, ayan, luluto na tayo ng noodles. Para at least, pating nila, luto na siya. So, ayan, dito natin ilalagay. Ayan, so tatlong noodles ang ilalagay natin. So, itong noodles, niluto ko siya ng mga 15 minutes. Parang gano'n din. Ayan. Lutuin muna natin. It's already cooked! Ayan, nandito na si Daddy at Dexa.
I'm back from school.
Wow! Okay, sige, tanggalin mo na yung snow pants mo.
Back from school.
Yeah, I know. Yan, luto na. Binalik na
I
natin
am
ito
back
dito.
from school.
Okay,
Back
saan ka
from
upo?
school.
Saan ka upo? Ayan. Luto na ang ating hagkat. Kainan na. Tapos may sasay pa ako ng ganito. Okay, you're on time? You're hungry? You're hungry? Oh, nice. Ayan. So that's us food for today. Do you like tuyo? Do you like tuyo? Okay, I will put you some noodles. Ayan, yung noodles nga lang na binili ni Daddy is ano, yung hindi yung favorite natin. Ayan. Kain na na. Naglagay lang ako ng konting noodles for Dexa.
Yes.
Kain na na. Let's eat, guys! Eating time!
Just came back from school.
Oh, yes. I know. Okay? Enjoy your food, guys! May tuyo pa dyan. Dexa, come here! So, si Dexa naghanap ng rice.
What do
What do you like?
White.
Ganito yung pagkain namin eh. Gusto niya ng rice. Oh my God! Pilipina ka talaga, Dexa. Ayan. Rice is life for Dexa. Kasi yung tuyo na yan, kailangan siya ng rice. Ayan. Ayan, Dexa. Satisfied ka, Dexa? That one is be eaten with rice? Okay. May I see how you eat that one? Okay. Marunong ito eh. And then, nagkakamay din siya eh. Yan. And then, oh my God! Oh, rice is life! Sige, kanin pa more and tuyo pa more, Dexa. Ayan, nagsapera na niya yung soup niya. Natutuwa si Dexa. Naghanap ng I want rice. Okay. Eat!